Welcome back to Shin's Kitchen, and today I'll be showing you how to make this pepper stew recipe. Trust me, if you've never tried this before, you have to try it today. Follow me. Let's get started. Right here, I have 1 onion, tomatoes, bell pepper, cayenne pepper, or paprika pepper. I think that's what it's called. And I have my red chilies. I have my scotch bonnet pepper and 4 cloves of garlic. Check the description box for details. I'm going to blend everything together, and this will be the base of my stew. I'm going to add some oil to my frying pan, and I'm going to go ahead and saute some onions for around 7 minutes. You're going to want to make sure that you leave your onions long enough so that the oil will be infused with so much flavor. Next, I will add my pepper base, and as you can see, it already looks good, but bear with me. Once I add my pepper base to my oil, I'm going to go ahead and season it because you need to set the pace. You need to make sure that this is well seasoned and flavorful because you need to fry it for a while. I'll add some curry powder. I'll add 1 magi cube and 1 knorr chicken cube. Next, I'll add thyme, dried thyme, and salt. Combine together and leave this to fry for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Please do not go too far, and remember to check on your stew because this will burn easily. So put your heat on low and check on your stew every few minutes to make sure it's not burning. Let's get started. First up, I'm going to add some garlic powder, and I'm going to mix my seasoning separately. Next, I'll add some onion powder, after which some paprika. I will add some dry thyme because, you know, flavor. I'll add black pepper because I like my food spicy. Of course, don't forget to add your salt to taste. I'll add some Chinese 5-spice powder. And finally, some cayenne pepper. Add as much cayenne pepper as you can tolerate. I will combine my spices. As you can see, my onion powder is a bit hard. I don't know, it always gets hard. I have my chicken here and I washed it properly with vinegar and lemon, and I'm going to add my spices and I'm going to massage it in, rub it in, like rub your chicken, don't be afraid. And chicken wings are easy to season, so you don't have to let this rest at all. For me, I'm going to let it rest for 30 minutes because I was doing something else on this day. But normally, I just pop it right in the air fryer immediately. My chicken is looking well seasoned. I have my air fryer basket here and I'm adding my wings. As you can see, there isn't enough space, but I'm going to make space today. Normally, I'll do a little less. If you don't have an air fryer, you can use an oven for this recipe. I'll spray some oil on top of my chicken. You don't have to, it's optional to be honest, because chicken has oil, right? I'll pop this in the air fryer for 25 minutes. I'll flip it halfway, and here is the result. That was the recipe for my chicken wings. Any type of meat will go great with this sauce. You can use beef, fish. Oh my gosh, the fish stew is so good. Use any meat that you would like, season it properly. So right here, my stew has been going for 45 minutes. I just want it to fry a little bit more. So I gave it 20 more minutes, and as you can see, my stew is looking wonderful. When you see the oil float to the top, you know that your stew is well fried. I'll go ahead and add some carrots, and I never added carrots to my stew before, but today I had some extra carrots in the fridge, and oh my gosh, I will be doing this all the time. It was so great. Add carrots to your stew. So once my carrots have been chilling with my stew base, I will add my bell peppers and onions to the mix. As you can see, I will combine my bell peppers and everything together. It's looking like one big happy family. I tasted my stew and I wanted just a little bit more spice, so I added some black pepper. So the amount of pepper that you add to your stew is up to you. For me, I didn't add too much. You can add as much as you want. So here are my chicken wings and they are looking so delicious. I'll add my chicken wings to my stew, and remember, you can use any type of meat for this recipe. I have used fish before and it was so good. Next time, I'm going to use beef and let you know how it turns out. So once I add my chicken wings to my stew, I make sure to get the drippings from the air fryer. Combine, mix. And you're going to leave this on low heat for around 10 minutes so that everyone can become one big happy family and the flavors can infuse together. And trust me, this is a recipe that you need to try today. It was so delicious, and as you can see, my stew is finished and ready. You can pair it with some rice, or for me, I ate it with some puff puff. Look how fabulous this stew is looking, and please let me know if you try this recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and tag me if you try this recipe. Bye-bye.